Hello everyone. So I'm trying to install a Android based radio for my friend. This is a 2013 Honda Civic SI, and the one with the white switch over here, which you gotta clip it to open it and stuff. All right, so there's a white wire on the back side of it, and I don't know if you see it here, guys, but this is your amp wire. So you gotta connect the blue, the one that goes to the radio, the blue wire here. Somebody was trying already, but they can't figure it out. So that's why there's all these fucking butt connectors. But it connects to this white wire here, which I connected it to, and this is what turns on the amp so you can have sound. All right, guys. I hope this helped you out. Have a nice day.